Hey everyone, welcome to the course. My name is Volkan, and in this class I'm going to show you how to create your own 1950s Christmas smooth jazz background videos. The kind you see on YouTube with cozy living rooms, retro vibes and warm Frank Sinatra style music. We are going to build everything from scratch, step by step. First, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to craft the perfect image prompts. Then, we'll take those prompts into Gemini Nano Banana to generate beautiful vintage 1950s Christmas images. After that, we'll hop into Photoshop to clean them up, enhance details, and get them ready for compositing. Next, we'll jump into After Effects, where the real magic happens. I'll show you how to add looping snowfall outside the windows, a cozy crackling fire in the fireplace, subtle lights, color corrections, everything you need to bring the scene to life. And of course, what's a 1950s Christmas room without music? We'll head into Suno and create smooth, slow jazz tracks with warm vocals in the Frank Sinatra style. Then we'll take those tracks back into After Effects and build your full 30-minute looped final video, ready for YouTube upload. By the end of this course, you'll know the entire workflow. And the best part, you don't need to be a pro. I'll guide you through everything with simple, clear steps. So if you are ready to create beautiful vintage Christmas jazz videos that your audience will love, let's jump right in. I'll see you in the first lesson.